Alright, here's Toyotero one more time. We got small video today. We're working on MR2 and we got that guy going on because it's cold in here, so it's gonna be some noise. So while we start with here, I took this seat off the passenger side seat. It wasn't bolted, I had it on there like that, but so you gotta take this center console off. It goes right here. Alright, it goes over here. There's the shifter cables. Let me get a closer look here. Both shifter cables are right here. You got this one and this one right here. One goes to this side, the other one goes to this. So when you shift, they move like so. And we're gonna replace this unit right here today. I got another one that I sanded and painted in black already for this car right here. So you take the center console, you gotta take that guy.
You do not have to take
that
those
guy,
two out.
that guy,
and
this guy on both sides, and then there's up front here. I took this the bezel, the radio bezel off, and the cigarette ashtray off. When you open this here, there's gonna be two more right there. You see them right there. This two right here. Take that off. This whole unit comes out by itself. One piece, as you can see. We're gonna get it out of the car right now, and then we'll keep working on this. So we're gonna get needle nose, and we're gonna take this C-clip, whatever you want to call this thing, out of the way here. See it right there, and it's gonna be a washer. I take this washer off, and this just moves to the side. It's a little rubber piece there. The other one, we have to take this 12mm nut out. First, we're gonna come here and take this retainer clips out of the car. Let me see, maybe I'll try this one. It's like pulling a tooth, literally. Just, go back and forth with it and pull up. Same thing on the other one. Just grab it. Don't be afraid of it. You can't break them or bend them. They're really, really strong. That one came out. Alright, so let's get the tool let's get the 12 so we can take and come around, and we gotta take out this guy right here. We gotta take this guy right here, and then this one, there's two more in the front, that one, and that one, and this whole piece will come off. Okay, so let's do that right now. All right, back here, take this guy out like so. That's the nut, and this guy just falls out. This thing is pretty loose. Yeah, this thing's got a lot of play in it. And I don't know what that has to do with the way this thing feels. So let's take, you can press these back to take them out of the rail. Just press back and pull up. Oh, wow, okay. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is the next part. Here's another video. Alright, so the same thing with this one. Pull back on it. Pull back enough on it. And maybe this is the easiest way to do right now. It's really just take out the bolts. Let's do that. thinking we did that. Just will be easier. Take that off. And now you can kind of pull out just like that. There's the whole unit right there. Alright, we're gonna bring the other one in. Take this off the way. Just trying to see how this feels. I don't like the way this feels here. It's really loose. Like it has absolutely no tension. And I'm gonna assume that this is a problem. I don't like the way that feels. I don't know. I have an extra cable, but I'm not sure which one it is. We're gonna go look at it. So we got an extra cable here. Where's that right there? But this one is the red cable. The red cable is the one with without the little bowl in it. Let's see. It's a different one, obviously. Oh, these are green and white. See, this car was not a turbo car. This car was a regular car. Had the good old Camry engine in it. This cable, it's different to that cable right there. I'm gonna assume, I'm not 100% sure if they are different. They might not be the way they sit on the transmission, but it was shifting pretty neatly after we got the reverse and the 5th gear fixed. Because this car didn't want to shift into 5th or reverse. I believe I mentioned that before. Here's our guy that we're gonna put in. It's not a new guy. It came out of the turbo car. We're gonna use that. Let's clean this up a little bit here. So don't forget to take this out of here. Okay, and you gotta put it on this one. You gotta put it on this one right here. It's very important. This was really loose. This thing had like, you see that? I mean, this thing's just really loose. So and also I wanted to put this one on because I believe that, well, not only that that thing was loose, like the way it looks, but that's, to me, it's causing a problem. So let's put this back on here. We're gonna go and put these on here like this, and we're gonna back this in there. I'm gonna back it in to make it easier on us. There they are. See, you just back them in there. There was no need to do all that prying I did earlier. But you learn. That's how we learn. We learn little by little. Let's put these bolts back in place. Toyotero is humble. I'm a humble guy, man. I learn every day. It don't matter. I spend all my young life and half of my adult life working on Toyotas. But you must remain humble, and you must learn every day. If you're a know-it-all, then you're like a cup that is filled all the way, and there's no space for no more water in your cup. Because if you put one more drop of water, that cup's gonna flood out. And what that symbolizes to me is knowledge. I have to be humble. I have to have, my cup cannot be completely filled. I have to be able to learn on a daily basis. And that's what I do. I learn on a daily basis. If you think you know everything, that really does not bring any, to me, it's just not, I don't feel that it's appropriate to just think that we know everything in life. It just doesn't take you anywhere. So this might drop in some old school knowledge of you guys. So let's tie this nuts over here. Let's put these retainers back on. One at a time. Let's see if this will fit. Something's not right, so let's take this back out. Let's see what's going on. Alright, I see what it is. Okay. So let's see if I can do it. Film at the same time. There we go. Make sure they're flush in here. Okay. First the other one. Alright, here we go. Let's try the other one. Alright, that's basically it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. That's reverse, but you gotta put the clutch on, I guess. And see, I don't like the way this goes out this much. I don't know why. But you know. That's the reverse. Okay, that's the reverse right there. Fifth. It's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. That's reverse right there. Alright, well, there goes our new part installed. The whole shifter. We just replaced the shifter on this MR2. Now we got to put that center console back on. We'll do that next. So we're gonna take these clips, these plastic clips right here, and we got to put them back over here. These holes. There's one there, one here. Wrap this wire harness the way it was. They just retain them close to them, like so. Go ahead and do that right now. So we're gonna take these off and put them over there. Alright, so we're gonna take tape and we take the clips off the other shifter. We're gonna put tape around these cables right here, this wire harness, and then we're gonna put them in there where they go. That's gonna be our next step. Alright, so we got this already done. See, I put tape here and here around this plastic clip. Now we're gonna put it where it goes. Like so. Alright, now we're gonna do the other side. Alright, now that we put the tape over here, there used to be that purple looking tape right here, so we put new tape in there. Now we're gonna put this piece back where it goes, like so. That's all it takes. You know, you want to make sure everything goes back pretty much where it was. So we're gonna go ahead and put the center console on this and be done with this job. We gotta put the shifter knob on it. This thing is a lot tighter, feels a lot better. Doesn't have as much play as it used to. For second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Kind of hard to get in reverse without the clutch, but it goes in. I know it goes in. It's a whole lot better, less play, a whole lot less play on it. I mean, this thing's got resistance. So, all right, well, it's one more video from Toyotero. I hope you enjoy it. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Toyotero says goodbye.